Hello guys, we are back with another package from Meesho. Let me open it up. It's a big package. I can't even recall what is this. Maybe it's a side lamp. What I can guess from. Let me see. I've ordered multiple packages. So खुल गया ये. We have multiple packages inside. There is this one, and there is another stand. Wow. Let's open this one as well. What is inside this? This is lamp head, and there's one bulb as well. Let me open it. And this is the bulb, and there are certain nut and bolts as well. Let's see how to assemble it. This is in the polish, I think wooden polish, if you can notice. And these are the lamps. This is like it's a 3 level of strength. Let me put it one by one and then we'll see. Let's start installing it. Finally अनरैप हो गया ये पूरा, एंड मैं इसको बाद में इंस्टॉल करता हूँ, पेजेस लगाता हूँ. बट अब एक बार अभी हम रख के देखते हैं इसको, ये कैसा लग रहा है. फिर इसमें ये ना ऐसे होल्डर फिटेड है, सो ये ऐसे लगा हुआ था. मैंने इसको यहाँ से ना खोल के, एंड देन इसके ऊपर ऐसे हम लैम्प फिट करेंगे लाइक दिस, एंड देन विल टाइट इट अगेन. और इसमें लग जाएगा अभी हमारा बल्ब इन द सेंटर. We finally installed it. Let me show you from bit closer. This is how it looks, and this looks beautiful, right? So if I show you from bit far, right, it's making it quite beautiful. Thank you guys.